Hi, my name is Chris Everett Lloyd Sambat, 28 from Cyber City Teleservices. One reason why I joined Clark Idol Quest Season 2, aside from, of course, gaining friends, I want to share my talents and be with, and compete, actually compete, but be with the best singers we have in Clark. One of the unforgettable experiences I had in this competition was during the announcement of the finalists. I was in the first batch, right? So when they called my name, the first finalist is Chris Everett Lloyd Sambat. I was really shocked. I was in awe, and I wasn't really expecting it. I started singing when I was a kid. I think singing runs in the family, from my grandparents, my dad, my other siblings. They're also singers. But I think I had the confidence and the guts to join these type of contests.
Our man of many talents, man of all seasons, our coach, trainer, MC, Chris, all the way from US, our New Jersey office. You are all supported together with Ethel and Mark. Chris, if you were able to make it in cyber, you will make it anywhere. So, to the new 2011 Clark Idol champion, Chris Everett Lloyd Sambat, congratulations.
I will be singing I Who Have Nothing, performed by Tom Jones. And I think this is one of the best songs that suits my big and loud voice. So guys, watch out.
Chris Everett Sambat, congratulations and good luck from your Cyber City family. Go Cyber!
I song na pang ganito. Bagay na bagay song. May performances. Excellent. And I think the power of your voice is such that you can actually do Broadway. Like parang engineers your voice really has a ring to it na talagang may talagang papansinin talaga. And then this is how you feel. Congrats. Thank you so much.
Congratulations kasi hindi halata na nag-nervous ka. Dapat masabi ka kapag nasumali dito ha.
Ganyang klaseng support you have. I like your voice. Ang ganda ng timbre ng taas. Yan lang, actually. Gusto ko yung voice mo.
Ano ko lang, 32. For your age to be authentic, just as silent, kasi pinila ka lang gumagawa niya. And I salute you for choosing a song. Medyo takot-takot kasi nakita ko kayo natin. Baka hindi niya makaya yung ugali naman na attitude of singing. When you did it, alam na yun, every time sumasatok yung singles, saka yung pati ulo mo sa sayo ng singles. Wala na akong ilalagay pa.